Hello, today I am going to show you how you can apply for Medicare online. So you can apply for Medicare up to 3 months prior your 65th birthday month. So that's your window, that 3-month time frame right before you turn 65 is the best to apply for your Medicare coverage so that your coverage begins on the first of your birthday month. So we're going to start off here at medicare.gov. You can see and make sure it's medicare.gov and not medicare.com because that will take you to two different sections or two different sites. And you're going to go to sign up/change plans and apply for Medicare online. This will actually redirect you to the Social Security website, but it sends you right to where you want to be for your Medicare application. You can read through, this is a nice description of Medicare coverage and what it all includes, but we are going to scroll right down here to how to apply online for just Medicare. So this direction is for Medicare only. If you're looking to apply for Social Security benefits and Medicare, then you'll want that's going to be a different video. But for now, we're just looking at how to apply online for just Medicare. So you'll go ahead and click that button, read through the terms of service, understand, click next, and then this is going to ask you if you have already created a My Social Security account. If so, great. If you haven't, you will need to go ahead and create one. So for now, we are going to say, start new application. Who is completing this application? Generally, it's yourself. If you are a power of attorney or a legal representative of someone, then perhaps it would be that second option. Do you have a My Social Security account? We're going to go ahead and say no. And then, of course, you have to have a legal residency in the United States. Click next. And we're going to create a new account. So this is the part where if you already have a My Social Security account, wonderful. If you don't, you're going to need to go ahead and create one. You'll read through the terms of service. You will go ahead and sign off that you'll begin receiving your Social Security statements by email or electronically, no longer in the mail. You will see that if you want to continue receiving their statements by mail, there are instructions on how to begin that service back up again. And then here is where you're going to begin not only completing the initial startup, so to speak, of your My Social Security account, but then after this, you will apply for your Medicare coverage. So we're not going to go through this any further than that, but those are the steps to get you to where you need to be to apply for your Medicare coverage only. That will be sent directly to Medicare. You will receive a confirmation notice in your portal on My Social Security account, and then eventually you'll receive your Medicare card with ID number in the mail. Hope this has been helpful. Make sure you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting a lot of information in regards to Medicare and different situations you need to be aware of. So always open to feedback. Please let me know how you like it. Again, thanks so much for stopping in and watching this video.